Hello, friends. Welcome back to Quick Bites, the podcast where we explore the delicious world of food. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and in this episode, I like to dive into the sweet and the nostalgic world of Madeira Cake. Madeira Cake, with its dense yet tender crumb and hint of citrusy flavor, has been a beloved treat for centuries. But where did it come from, and why is it named after an island in Portugal? And so let's discover. Legend has it that Madeira Cake originated in the 18th centuries when England traders sailing to the Madeira Islands in the Atlantic would stop at the island and enjoy this delectable cake. The cake's denser texture and the ability to withstand several long voyages made it a perfect choice for the sailors' provision. But what makes the Madeira Cake unique? Unlike traditional sponge cakes, Madeira Cake is made with unsalted butter, granulated sugar, eggs, and flour, giving it a rich and moist crumb. Some recipes also include a splash of Madeira wine, what else, which adds depth and complexity to the flavor. Today, Madeira Cake remains a classic treat time and often enjoyed with a cup of tea or a glass of Madeira wine. Its simple yet satisfying flavor profile makes it a favorite for both bakers and dessert enthusiasts alike. So the next time you're craving a slice of something sweet and comforting, why not whip up a Madeira Cake? And whether you enjoy it plain or with a dollop of freshly whipped cream or some berries on the side, one thing is for sure, I will transport you to the world of timeless elegance and indulgence. And that is all for today's episode of Quick Bites. Join us next time as we explore another mouth-watering culinary delight. Until then, happy baking. Stay well. Ciao, ciao.